Imagine seeing a flock of sheep wearing sharp spiked armor, or a farmer bending his own papaya tree down toward the ground. At first glance, it looks completely wrong. But these strange farming tricks have been refined through generations of experience, and many of them deliver incredible results. One popular technique involves bending young papaya trees at a 30 to 45-degree angle. This helps the tree redirect more nutrients into the fruit instead of the trunk, producing larger, sweeter papayas while also making the tree more resistant to strong winds. Watermelon farmers use another surprising trick. They make a tiny hole near the stem with a toothpick. During the rainy season, this helps relieve internal pressure caused by excess water, preventing the fruit from cracking before harvest. In parts of North America, some farmers control destructive rodents by pumping gas into their underground tunnels. A carefully managed blast collapses the burrows, protecting valuable crops from damage. Chicken farmers have their own clever solution to food waste. Instead of scattering fruit on the ground, they stack it on a vertical pole. As chickens finish the bottom piece, the next one slides down automatically, keeping the food clean and reducing waste. When bottle gourds are harvested in large quantities, farmers slice them into thin strips and dry them under the sun. This simple method preserves the harvest for months without the need for expensive storage. In China, some rice farmers cover their fields with biodegradable paper before planting seedlings. The paper suppresses weeds, locks moisture into the soil, and eventually breaks down into natural fertilizer. Now back to those armored sheep. The spikes protect them from predators like wolves by making it nearly impossible to grab their necks, allowing the flock to graze safely in open fields. Old tires also get a second life on farms. Cut in half and mounted on walls, they become comfortable nesting boxes where eggs stay cleaner and are less likely to crack. Some farmers even use double-bladed hoes that turn over 2 rows of soil in a single swing, making fieldwork much faster and less tiring. In banana plantations, heavy bunches aren't always carried by hand. Instead, they are floated through narrow water canals, letting the current do most of the hard work. Modern hydroponic farms take things even further by growing vegetables without soil. The roots sit in nutrient-rich water, producing cleaner crops with fewer weeds, fewer pests, and often faster growth. Perhaps the strangest trick of all involves peanut plants. Farmers gently press or roll over the plants after they begin growing. This encourages more branching, more flowers, and ultimately a much larger harvest. These methods may seem unbelievable at first, but each one was born from years of trial and error. Not inside a laboratory, but in the fields. Sometimes the world's greatest innovations don't come from scientists or engineers. They come from farmers who simply refuse to give up.